Welcome back to my channel KSR English. Now we are going to discuss modal auxiliaries in detail. Thank you. Now we're discussing about shall. In the first person, I or we, to express simple future. To express simple future. I or we. First person, okay, I or we. In this case, we have to use shall. We have to use shall. For example, I shall meet him tomorrow. I shall meet him tomorrow. So I, the first person singular. Okay. In this case, you have to use shall. You shall watch the movie tomorrow. You shall watch the movie tomorrow. So here we. This is also first person plural. Okay. So in this case, you have to use shall. And one more thing, in the second and third persons, that means you, she, he, they, okay, these are all second and third person to express command or promise. Okay, in this case, you have to use shall. For example, he shall not enter my office again. He shall not enter my office again. Okay, so you have to use third person, he, singular. Here, you shall get a job if you get top score. This is promise. You shall get a job if you get top score. Okay, in this case also, you have to use modal auxiliary shall. Okay, now should. Okay, should, past tense of shall. Past tense of shall. To express duty. To express duty. For example, you should complete this work by this evening. Okay, your boss entrusted some work. Okay, and he said, you should complete this work by this evening at any cost. Okay, in that time you have to use should. Okay, and one more example, we should obey the law. That is our duty. We should obey the law. That is our basic duty, primary duty. Okay, and one more case. In this expression, should like to. Should like to. In this expression, that is polite form. You have to use should. Okay. See, I should like to help my friend. I should like to help my friend. Should like to. Should like to. In this case, you have to use should. Okay, understand? May. Okay. To ask permission. To ask permission. See, may I come in? May I leave now? May I go to toilet? These are asking permission. See, in this case, you should not use can. You should not say, can I come in? No. You have to ask, may I come in? Only you have to use may. May I come in? Or may I leave now? May I go to toilet? In these conditions. Okay. To ask permissions, you have to use may. And one more condition, to express possibility. To express possibility. See, it may rain. Okay, that means it seems to be rain. Right? It seems to be rain. So, it may rain. Okay. He may come. That is more possibility. More possibility. And she may win. She may win. So in this case, we have to use may. Very well, may. And one more. To express wish. To express wish. May God bless you, my child. May God bless you. Okay. You are wishing. Okay. May live long. May live long. Okay. May get well soon. may get well soon. These are wishing, to express wishing. In this case, you have to use may. I hope you may get well soon. You may get well soon. Okay. Now, another auxiliary might. Right? This is past form of may. Past form of may. See, in indirect speech, he said that he might speak English. He might speak English. Generally, you are using in indirect speech. Okay, I will let you know what is direct speech, what is indirect speech in detail in other class. Okay, in other session. And to one more thing, to indicate more doubtful possibility. More doubtful possibility. Okay, see, she might pass. That is not sure. Not sure. No possibility. It is doubtful. Okay, she might pass. Ramu might come. Ramu might come. It is not sure. Okay, there is doubtful possibility. In that case, you have to use might. See, not to express necessity, duty, and moral obligation. Moral obligation. See, we ought to respect elders. That is our moral obligation. We ought to respect elders. Okay. You ought to help the poor. That is also moral obligation. She ought to have studied well. This is past obligation. Okay. She ought to have studied. She ought to have studied well. That's a past obligation. In this case, you have to use ought to. Okay. For necessity or duty or obligation, moral obligations. Okay. See, here one more need. Need. See, as a main verb, you can use I need money. We need a team. I need your help. As a main verb, you can use need. She needs a job. Okay. I need to go there. I need to go there. As a main verb, you can use need like this. And as a helping verb, you need not go there. You need not go there. He need not come here. He need not come here. As a helping verb, you can use like this. This is about need. Dare means daring, courage. Okay. Courage. See, now it is using as a main verb. He dared to swim the river. He dared to swim the river. Okay. She dares to sing a song. As a main verb, you can use dare. Dare means courage. Okay, brave. Brave. He dared to swim the river. She dares to sing a song. Okay, she dares to sing a song. But whether we dare to listen or not, that is our headache. Okay. See, as a helping verb, dare not. As a helping verb, dare not. See, as a helping verb, dare not plus V1. Dare not plus V1. She dare not speak to me. She dare not speak to me. They dare not complain against me. They dare not complain against me. This is the structure. Dare not plus V1. Okay. Now this used to. Used to means what? It is refers to past habit. Past habit. I used to smoke cigarettes. That means not now. At present, no. So I used to smoke cigarettes. Okay. That's it. Now it is not. Okay. I used to study well. I used it to study well. That means in my childhood. Okay, but not now. Now I'm doing my job. Okay. She used to visit temples, but not now. She used to visit temples. This is past, it refers to past habit. Past habit. See, to be used to, accustomed. To be used to, accustomed. Accustomed means what? Habit. Habituated. Okay. See, I got used to waking up early. I got used to waking up early. That means accustomed, habit. Okay. She is used to sing songs constantly. She used to sing songs constantly. I am getting used to walking. I am getting used to walking in the morning. Okay, that is also habitual action. Okay, that is accustomed. Accustomed means habituated. Thank you.